welcome to Chala Cooks. Today we are going to make pad see ew Thai stir-fried noodles. Make sure you have these ingredients, they are listed in the description. First, let's cut some Chinese broccoli. Peel 1 carrot. Cut some baby corn. Peel and chop some garlic and cut into your desired shape and size. Then proceed to slice some chicken. Now I'm gonna share a tip. To tenderize it, I put the plastic film on top and I beat it up with rolling pin. Add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and soya sauce. Drizzle some olive oil. Whisk them together. Leave them on the side to marinate while we're making stir-fry sauce by adding 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and soya sauce. Add a little white pepper. Whisk them nicely together. This is white rice noodles. When they come out of the pack, make sure to spread them apart so they fry better and the sauce will get into them. Now, in a clean pan, drizzle some olive oil. Add your marinated chicken. Fry them evenly until they cook. Take the chicken off the pan and leave them on the side. Whoopsie, take that one off the pan too. Drizzle some olive oil again. Add the garlic, carrot, and baby corn. Fry them for a few minutes. Then add your Chinese broccoli. Cook for a few minutes more. Drizzle a little olive oil on the side. Then crack 2 eggs. Stir them until they will cook. Then mix them with all the veggies all together. Should start to smell really good. Take them out of the pan and put them aside. Add olive oil again. Your white rice noodles. And sauce. Mix the sauce into the noodles. A good tip to cook the noodles better, I add some water while I cook. I add a little more oyster sauce and soya sauce for my own preference. Now add your chicken and veggies. Mix them together. And there you go, pad see ew Thai stir-fried noodles. Enjoy!